Hello, everybody. Today I am going to be helping you to plot your volcanoes and earthquakes. So you've already opened up the assignment doc that looks like this, which you would have already gone into current eruptions and significant earthquakes, and you should have plotted this information for 5 volcanoes and 5 earthquakes. So now we're going to move on into this third part. We're going to plot the volcanoes and earthquakes on your Google My Maps. Now, how do I get to that? So back in Google Classroom, there is this first tab here. It says sign into Google Accounts. This is actually the link to the Google My Maps. And when you click on that, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. Sorry. It is a Google My Maps. I'm just scrolling out to get us to a world view so you can see. There we go. All right. So you'll see that there are 2 places already plotted on the map. I have this one here for Mauna Loa, which is a volcano in Hawaii, and Mexicali, which is the location in Mexicali, Mexico, of an earthquake. You'll see over here on the left side that it has the class period name because we're for period 1, there's one for period 2 and period 3. There are 2 layers on this map. There is the volcano layer and the earthquake layer. So the first one we're going to do is a volcano. So we're just going to click, make sure that we have the volcano layer open. We're going to go back to our template, and my volcano that I've identified is this first one. I'm going to copy it, go back to my map. Up here in this little search bar, I'm going to put in the name, plot it there. So it's going to take me into this spot, and it's going to show me that mountain. And you'll see it's green right now. What I'm going to do is make sure that I'm on volcanoes. I'm going to click add. You see now it's a little volcano. And after we've made it a little volcano and location, we need to add in our name. So if we click on that little edit button, it gives you a space. So I can put in my name. And now I've done that, so now I can save it. So now it's saved. And now you'll see over here there are 2 items in there because there are now 2 volcanoes. One is this new one, Sinabung, and the other one, if we scroll out, you'll see that we now have, and you can just use your arrows. So now I have this one here and then Mauna Loa. So I have mine that I put there, and I can just click on it. Now you see that it goes by me. Close it again and find there. So that is how we plot an earthquake or a volcano. For the above and beyond part of it, you are going to be adding other volcanoes and earthquakes that you have in your table. And then when you open up the information, if you hit that edit button and go in there, you can add in other information. So you can just space across and add information for above and beyond. So that is what you need to do to plot your earthquakes and volcanoes on the map. Important things are that you are in the right class period, that you make sure you highlight the layer that you're adding, whichever one it is, and you'll see there's a little line over here to show you that you've clicked on it. So you click on it, make sure you have volcano, type in the name, it'll show up, the name of it there, you go in and edit, put in your name, save, and you're done. And you do that again for the other ones. So in the end, you'll have added volcanoes. Now, there'll be other ones on the map from other students in the class. So there's going to be a lot of volcanoes to look at. So maybe make sure when you're picking volcanoes that you pick ones that are unique so that you are doing ones that not everybody else is doing. Again, if this will be available to you to look at if you are having trouble or you are confused. So it should be kind of fun to see what kind of places we can mark volcanoes from around the world.